future of the internet in China. I believed that small businesses could use the internet to grow. I knew that if I could help millions of businesses succeed, Alibaba would succeed. But believing was not enough. I had to prove it. And that is where most people fail. They give up before they prove themselves. If you want success, remember this. The world will not believe in you until you prove yourself. People will doubt you. They will criticize you. But your job is not to convince them with words. Your job is to convince them with results. Think about Elon Musk, who faced ridicule when he spoke about electric cars and space travel. Many experts said Tesla and SpaceX would fail. But today, both companies are pioneers in their industries. Why? Because he never gave up, and he proved himself through results. Success is like cooking a great meal. At first, people will doubt your recipe. Are you sure you should add that much spice? That doesn't look right. But when they finally taste it, their doubts disappear. The only way to shut up critics is to serve them success on a silver platter. Many people think that success happens overnight. They see a successful company and think, wow, they are so lucky. They see a famous person and think, they must have had an easy path. But let me tell you the truth. Success is never an event. It is a journey. And the journey is long, difficult, and full of obstacles. In Alibaba's early days, we had no money. We had no investors. We worked from a small apartment, and for years, we struggled. Some days we did not know if we would survive. Some of my friends left. Some of my partners lost faith. But those who stayed, those who never gave up, became part of Alibaba's success. This is the third lesson. Success is a journey. You must be willing to walk the path no matter how long it takes. Think about great athletes like Michael Jordan. He was cut from his high school basketball team. But did he give up? No. He practiced harder. He improved his skills. And today, he is known as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. One of the biggest reasons people give up is rejection. They apply for a job and get rejected. They start a business and no one buys from them. They try something new and fail. Let me tell you something important. Rejection is not the end. Rejection is part of the process. Every rejection teaches you something. Every failure makes you stronger. Do not be afraid of rejection. Expect